Egypt. Here, there is no two school of thoughts in Israel. Only one school of thought. The change in Egypt in the last summer was positive. We see it as the continuation of the Tahrir Square revolution that was hijacked by the Muslim Brotherhood and was on its way to become an Islamic extreme radical regime very much like Iran. Morsi never mentioned the name of Israel. He called us pigs and monkeys. Never met any Israeli delegation. And we thought that Egypt went to the wrong direction. Fortunately, we weren't the only one who thought that. 20 million Egyptians have the same idea. I remind you that only 14 million voted for Morsi. And they went to the streets, and together with the military, there is no deny that they have done it with the military, but they decided that Morsi is not the right leader, and we agree with them. We think that Egypt should not put us in a you have to choose between a military dictatorship to a radical Islamic state. There is a roadmap. We have to push them to go along the roadmap that will bring back democracy to Egypt. But we are sleeping better at night when the Muslim Brotherhood is not holding the power in Egypt and some other people are doing it.